Here's an update for my video blog for my mobile computer that I'm building for my Jeep. I went ahead and etched a motherboard for this. It's dual-sided. I've got the microcontroller here in the middle, and along both sides I have a spot for a 20-pin female header for future expansion. That'll give me access to all the pins. I've got my better GPS here. This is the 3.3 volt part. I've got my 3.3 volt regulator here and a cheesy little connector right here, but I'm going to probably replace that with a Dean's or mini Dean's connector. I've got my accelerometer and compass here, my EEPROM, my shift register, which drives the display here, and there's a 6-pin header here for my TNC. Also, there's a header up here, right there, which will be for an I2C GPIO expander that'll drive a 16-key keypad in addition to some other buttons. I also have a 16-pin dip header here for the 8-channel ADC that I have on order. It's an SPI device, and I'm going to use an RJ45 connector for my for the 8 lines coming into that. And also right between that and the GPS, there's a 9-pin header that'll be here for the SD card for permanent storage. I don't currently have everything drilled out. I've got all the vias connected though, but I don't have these drilled out because I just didn't have the patience to do it, and I don't have the parts on hand anyways. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and give power to this thing. Now, before I tore up the old board on the breadboard, the EEPROM had 0.1 miles on the odometer, so if it comes up with 0.1 miles, then I know that I've got a good read from the EEPROM. So I'll go ahead and give it juice here. Hopefully I get display. Yep, there's the display. Now this GPS gets locked really fast. It's one of the reasons I like it. And there's 0.1 miles. And the compass is reading 350 degrees thereabouts. And on this compass, that direction's north, so I need to make sure that I mount the board that way or alter it in software so that I have it oriented properly. But everything else appears to be working fine. Tilt compensation will probably work. I don't want to short the board out though, so I'll just leave it be so I can get a decent power connector. If I rotate the board slowly here, it should come to north. There it is. So now the board is pointing more that way. So the compass is working, so I'm pretty sure the accelerometer is working as well. Anyways, I'll have another update once I get this into a better power connector and hopefully a better enclosure, and get some of the input devices hooked up to it as well. Thanks for watching.